It is vital for our company to continue to have the shop network. I had one of our units, it went into one of our dealerships. They diagnosed it as an engine replacement. We knew that this particular truck had a certain engine component that went bad all the time. We were returned with an over $14,000 invoice. So instead we said, hey, let's go ahead and get this back to our central hub. Let's diagnose it ourselves just to double check, and then found out that it was a simple engine part that we knew was probably wrong with it. With our in-house cost, plus towing, plus the part at wholesale that we typically buy, we ended up saving $13,200. That's just one example. The main ones that we've probably rejected the most are cabin air filters, engine air filters. We know that our team has the ability to throw in a filter, and so we just try to control as much cost as we can. I need the shop network.